Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and before I start today's video I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we have here. If you would like to receive trading signals from myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below this video in the description. Once on the website you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership, so please do not hesitate and get involved. So in front of me is a Nasdaq 100 future chart, and as you can see today we have had an extremely bearish day, currently trading down 3.50%, and it looks like a bit of volatility has returned to this market, especially to the downside. You know, we're trading down 3.50% all the way from that 8,700 area, so a big almost 250-300 point drop. Where do we go from here? It's a bit tricky, because if you read most news, so like CNBC, Bloomberg, most articles are now saying that most indices are going to probably retest the bottom that we hit back in March, at the beginning of March, down at around 7,000. However, the S&P and Dow, this could be possible. With the Nasdaq, I just don't believe it. I think the Nasdaq is too strong of a market. You know, you've got Amazon right now, which is trading at all-time high. You've got Netflix, which is trading at all-time high. You have the likes of Apple and Google, and when these stocks go cheap, people just like to buy them and pick them up cheap, and that's why I just think the Nasdaq 100 never really never kind of follows the others in terms of bearishness. So I am looking to buy the Nasdaq 100 and pick up value, which is quite a bold move at around that 50 and 200 day EMA. So we're nearly there. So at around 8,300, that's when I will be looking to buy this market. We nearly got there earlier on in the session today, and I'm hoping by tomorrow we will drop down to the 8,300, and I am going to pick up value in this market, and I'm hoping that the 50 and 200 day EMA will offer us some support. You could also work on a bias that we're kind of in an uptrend as well, and I'm hoping that we can retest on the Fibonacci chart, retest at 9,000 to 9,080 level, which is around about this area here, which is the 70% level on the Fibonacci level. So I think we will eventually retest the top here, as I did mention in one of the other videos a couple of days ago, that we did have some noise here, and I think that's why the Nasdaq 100 has struggled to break above this area here. So I think we're going to go down, test the 50 and 200 day EMA, and retest the highs, and then hopefully retest at 9,000 level, which is a huge psychological number, and just above it at 9,090 you have the 78% Fibonacci level. However, if we do manage to break below the 200 day EMA, I'm an seller of this market, and I will then target 7,500, where we had some noise. And then if we break below there, then it's very simple. This market's going to 7,000 to probably form a bottom, and then either there or we jump in all over this market. So I see a lot of potential opportunities to make a lot of money on the Nasdaq 100, and I'm forecasting very good times ahead in this market. So as I mentioned before, if you want to make some money and you've been watching our videos for the past couple of weeks, and you've probably seen by now we do know what we're talking about, then please do not hesitate. Get involved in our signals, because like I said, with volatility becomes opportunity, and trust me, this market has plenty of it.